When it comes to innovative genius, Hitachi cordless vacuum cleaners lead the way. 21 versatile cleaning combinations to clean from corner to corner. Multiple tools for various types of cleaning. Flexible smart hose makes cleaning easy with its ergonomic structure. Removes dust effectively from bed sheets and mattresses, for car seats and sofas. Extendable and two-way crevice brush for cleaning hard-to-reach or narrow areas. A thin, soft plastic edge broom brush gently brushes on surface to pick up small amounts of dirt. With the combination of brush and tube-type nozzle, small items like paper clips will not be sucked in and only dust will be vacuumed. Suitable for cleaning away dirt deep inside grooves and dust on screen windows. Main body, head and smart hose come with LED lighting that helps you clean in dark areas. Comes with a hard brush for cleaning groove lines and floor mats. Producing powerful suction, Hitachi's cordless vacuum cleaner comes with a compact, lightweight and high-efficiency fan motor. Boosted powerful cyclone separates dust and air by centrifugal force. Operating time is approximately 40 minutes using the standard mode. It is lightweight at only 1.5 kilograms. Shutter direction can be changed to avoid unpleasant exhaust air blowing at you. Detachable lithium battery allows use of an additional battery. The auto-drive power head moves by itself, so dust is picked up effortlessly. With its synchro flap, suction power remains strong even when pulling backwards. Move it forward and the flap opens to suck in large dust particles. Move it backward and the flap closes to increase pressure. The long roller takes in and sucks in dust from the back. Floor dust will be completely cleaned. Zero distance to wall enables dust to be picked up at wall edges. Easy and clean dust disposal with just a touch of a button. Charging station allows the main body to stand on its own, while other accessories can be placed neatly. Hitachi cordless vacuum cleaners. Authentically Japan-made.